In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Truecaller app to the latest version. By updating your Truecaller app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with Truecaller, and also you'll be able to enhance the security of the app and fix a lot of problems or most of the problems associated with your app, such as bugs. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So you can update your Truecaller app either on Android smartphone or an iPhone. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on your Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access Google Play Store. And here is my Play Store. Now, if you're using an iPhone, then you'll need to go ahead and look for App Store. So for Android, I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store. And then I'll go ahead and look for the app. Now, once you open the app, go ahead and tap on it. And you can see we have two options here, uninstall and open. So if you're using an outdated app, it means you'll see here written update instead of open. You'll need now to go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Truecaller app and install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can proceed and tap on it to open, and I'll be using the latest version of Truecaller app. So that's how you get the latest app from Truecaller. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.